Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. About many reports let us know say Arsenal dey in the driving seat to sign Paulo Dybala, and this one they come from our monitoring spirits wey they call team talk. So they hear say Paulo Dybala and Arsenal dey in very close area of completing the deal to bring Paulo Dybala from Juventus to Arsenal. And what make this thing dey very sweet now be say the thing now on a free transfer. You get, I will not say Paulo Dybala agent dey for London. They discuss with many EPL clubs. I know say for all those EPL clubs, Arsenal na be one of the favorite. But from what I dey hear now, I dey hear say whether Arsenal qualify for Champions League or whether they qualify for Champions League, go say Paulo Dybala dey likely to accept that proposal because he like their project, he like their style of play. Again, whether they do things, they enjoy him, and he's going to be with a young manager who knows what he's doing. You know, all these things are music to my ears. Get now when transfer window don't end, then things gonna start to happen again. I can't talk so okay, truly it dey happen because as it like this now, don't forget because this guy accepted personal terms with Inter Milan. Waiting come make and they run away from Inter Milan. After all, it was a free transfer again. So waiting come be the difference. If you come agree terms with Arsenal, I can't decide to abandon us again later. So everything never really dey convincing for me. You get, until I don't hear say it is official. Say the guy don't sign a deal. He never signed anything. That well, more the watcher. At the same time, Arsenal don't agree a deal to sign Marquinhos from Sao Paulo for £3 million. Those have been done before to say Arsenal offer a bid, so Sao Paulo they complain say the bid too small, they too low, but they don't get any choice because from what we can they hear, this Marquinhos in contract they expire soon, you get, and then say they don't want make the guy go for nothing. So that 3 million it is very small because many pundits for Brazil, when they talk say the guy they easily worth like 10 to 15 million pounds because the guy now 19-year-old and the guy get left foot. In short, the guy now one of the stars for the future. The way the guy they play, because I go YouTube self, go watch am. The guy left in a dead. The guy they play very well. He's 19. So the when they talk, they go insert a deal in the clause say in case Arsenal sell the guy for future, then go feel recoup some money because £3 million is nothing. Not even I think it's €3 million save, maybe not some maybe 2.something million pounds. The thing no sweet that but last year the guy don't agree a deal in principle, don't sign them everything. So now the paperwork they just finish, and even Fabrizio Romano self talk about the deal. Say Arsenal just they try to finish the paperwork, but everything they all guarantee, everything done dey straightforward. Say the guy they join Arsenal once the season just end and we are starting the transfer window. So well, you also say the guy will come because many people don't talk say the guy now to replace Pepe. Now make Arsenal they buy. I'm saying it no go affect any other deals where Arsenal they do. All those kind maybe Ryan Sterling, all those kind Gabriel Jesus, maybe Paulo Dybala, it no go affect anybody. You are using him to replace a Pepe. And for me, if you are using this kind of person to replace a Pepe, for me it no be bad deal again because Pepe no try at all. At the same time, Eden Hazard sef don come outside to rule out a move to Arsenal as Babacon say he won't stay for Real Madrid making fights for him place. Even Carlo Ancelotti sef don come outside to rule out the guy from moving. Talk say anything where anybody they think say maybe the guy won't go Chelsea or whether he won't join Arsenal, say when I cancel am, say all those kind of things it no go happen. They need all the best legs they can get. I know say this transfer season now, Madrid sef go sign more Galactico because when you check out some kind of people, all those kind of bill go find their square root. Or those guys look at Modric, they no give a contract again because the guy go be like maybe 38, 39. The guy don't shine now. You don't dey old. You see they play very well, but for how long now? For how long? How many games you go fit play? That's the thing. All those kind people like Casemiro them, they fit come upgrade them. We never really know, sha. Well, that one na their own cup of rice, no concern us. Monetary spirit wey they call Fabrizio Romano sef don come outside come dey tell us say Arsenal dey prepare opening bid for Gabriel Jesus. Say Arsenal won't sign the guy bad. The guy dey for the top of Arsenal transfer wish list. And Man City now they request for nothing less than €50 million to €60 million. €50 million is about £42 million. That is the bid where Arsenal they plan say okay they won't offer them because you remember say I talked this thing once upon a time say anything will make Arsenal they pursue Gabriel Jesus with this so much optimism. It shows say Mikel Arteta don't call Pep Guardiola ask him say this guy you still the use him. if you know they use am, make I come dey serious with am. You get, there is no way wey Arteta go know say they still dey use Gabriel Jesus, you go come dey go for the guy. You get, I don talk this thing before. So that is why if you check, Man City sef never even give Gabriel Jesus a contract extension. You get, because then sef they don get Erling Haaland wey go dey for that 9. So the guy, na person wey say they fit sacrifice, use the money, complete money to pay Haaland money. You get, that's why we sef dey go for the guy. And the guy agent sef don talk say Gabriel Jesus like Arsenal project. So wetin remain again na to agree a deal in principle, so that once summer end, Champions League or no Champions League, Baba go join us again to solidify our base, to strengthen us against next season. Because if you think say this season dey hard, next season go dey harder, because people will strengthen, everybody go buy, Newcastle go buy more, all those kind of sports go buy more, Man U they go do overhaul, Chelsea they go throw Lukaku, throw away when buy more player, more men. You get, Man City don already strengthen, Liverpool we never really know whether they go add more firepower, because all those kind of Mane, Salah, they still get maybe 1 or 2 years left for their contract. They need to renew them and they never agree. Even Salah they never agree a deal in principle than to renew in contract. Many movements go there. You get, they get Salah, Firmino, Jota, many people go move, because how they want to do the first level, everybody na star you want play. So many movements people go buy player. We self need to strengthen as we agree deals in principle like that. Then surprise, because people don't change in agency, don't announce them for Instagram. You get, this guy from outside they see the guy they need movement. You get, so you want sign an agent, we get agents with the wide, we get big reach. You get, we go feel attract many clubs, send in proposal to them, make them see how they play and everything. And it's going for a cheap, I like £25 million, because Arsenal no fit recoup the kind of money they buy him, £72 million. In this age, who go buy Pepe for that kind of price? So it is what it is. So wish him all the best of luck. Making no waste time, main packing bags, find square roots. Once again, Arsenal don't agree a deal in principle to sign Hickey from Bologna, and this guy go cost £19 million. Now, Mauritanian spirit they call Calcio Mercato. Now they let us know this one. I will call it yesterday. Arsenal beats the likes of AC Milan and Napoli to sign Hickey. And he got one statistics we call the comment yesterday while they review the talk say Kylian since when he enter Arsenal for all the games where Arsenal don't play, he has played just 57% of Arsenal games, because they always get injury. See Kylian, this is Thomas Partey, they be brother and sister, and they always get injury up and down. So this Hickey way will they bring down. Many people call the talk say nobody feel say Hickey they can't play as deputy. Say the guy they come in and he can likely take over that Kylian role. The guy go play first level because the guy they very good. The guy know they injury prone. The guy they cross, they play deliveries on points, everything. The guy they give assists. The guy they score goals. What else do you need? I don't watch the guy for YouTube now. The guy they bomb shots. So many people they put the guy for the front burner. Say make the guy play ahead of Kylian if he don't play, because next season we don't want injury prone players. Now we even the year say Otomelo don't they available, because Juventus don't get midfielders. So the guy has surplus to requirements. So maybe Arsenal will still go back for the guy, because all this guy Thomas Partey, yes, Thomas Partey is good, but we don't want injury prone players. So we say when you matter most, you will sweat on the player. Say, hey, I don't know when this one will they fit. I mean, no they fit to, and we'll do late fitness test. We don't want all those one. I beg. Let's look for people who say they're strong like Zuma Rock any day, anytime. Then they. Bakary Sagna sef don come outside, come dey advise Mikel Arteta and the Arsenal hierarchy say the best thing wey they go fit do for themselves now, you get, na make them just focus on this Gabriel Jesus deal. Focus on am. Say anything you Tielemans, forget it. Make Gabriel Jesus your priority. If you fit sign am, then Arsenal is moving forward. You get some kind of people wey you go sign, some kind of players sef wey never wan join. When they don't see say you don't sign those kind of players, then go run come, because they will know say men don't dey here. But when you look at Arsenal, look the striking department, shit packer. Don't get some kind of midfielder we can say make them come. If they come, who they won't give their assist to? Who won't score? So that's the main issue. So when you play with the outside and they see you Tielemans, you don't join. They see Otomelo, you don't do there. They see some kind of people, you don't do there. You go run the corner now. So that's what it just be. So it didn't left for Arsenal and the hierarchy them. All those Edu Gaspar and Richard Garlic them. Whether they will reason with Sagna at the top or focus on Gabriel Jesus and maybe leave you Tielemans until they don't capture Jesus when you go for your Tielemans or any other person you want side. Well, it's not a bad advice. I'm about to think about this advice with Sagna they give our hierarchy. At the same time, for media setting, the point they ask Mikel Arteta about injury updates, say make for no more what they saw. So who don't recover, who never recover for all those kind of Ben White, so those kind of Gabriel Magalhaes, what they saw. So Baba come talk say omo for now make you no lie, the physios never give am any feedback, he never know anything you get. Na yesterday conference, so he come talk say by today wey be Sunday, say he go give us more updates, and if updates no come dey, they will go wait till late fitness test on Monday. After all, no be say na Monday morning we dey play you get. So by Monday morning they will get late fitness test, know who dey play, who no go play, who dey fit you get. So na so e just be say for now omo no news o, so we gats wait. And at the same time, many pundits alike and some advisors come outside dey advise Gabriel Yusuf say e go make sense make him comot for that Man City and take a risk and join Arsenal, where he go get a bigger impact. At least if he enter Arsenal, he go fit be the senior number 9. They will guarantee am games. He go play week in week out. And as a top striker, if he dey play week in week out, he will get that morale, he go get that ginger, he go get that drive, that hunger he get to play very well and score more goals, go dey more productive. Unlike say come dey for Man City, fine, go dey Man City, go dey win things, but go dey for Benjamin. No be that kind of legacy you sef you go want for yourself again, because there is no way you come play ahead of Erling Haaland. You come dey under the shadow of Haaland, the way we were under the shadow of Akun Guero. You get that Kun Aguero. So e no go make sense. So I never know. But from what we dey hear, Jesus in like Arsenal, he like wetin they do, and I believe say the influence of Mikel Arteta sef go rub off on am. He go come join us. Well, I can't wait for this deal to happen. Abeg, make it just happen na. At the same time, today Tottenham Hotspur go play Burnley at 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Right, they go play the match. So all eyes will be on that match. Me, I go monitor the match well. I go cool down, sit down, they watch am. And what make the match interesting is say for the first leg, Burnley win them 1-0. You get, but now Burnley get some kind of injuries, some kind of my favorite players today for Burnley. You know the all those kind of J. Rodriguez, all those kind of Tarkowski, all those kind of me. Those are a centre back partnership. That first and second choice centre back partnership, no dey. Me and Tarkowski, those two, the senior men, they feed them. As they know, they are fighting for their life. Even Vidra self, at the year saying no go play, but they are still fighting, they are still playing very well, and they are going away. And they'll say they play and Leeds self get match today. So many things go happen. If Burnley lose the match, Leeds collect any points, before you know, Burnley go take over the relegation spot. They will just interchange, and Burnley self no go won that one. So I will keep a close eye on the match. I go to watch the match until if Tottenham just spoil, then I go leave the match. I don't say everything don't spoil. But once I watch them and it still be 0-0 or Burnley score, if Burnley even score now, I go come cool down, balance, so I go buy popcorn to watch the match. So if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Happy Sunday to you guys. I get out.